Hi guys, this is a video to show you how to enter a graph and how to set up your window settings so that you can see the graph. So when you hit your home button, you can then add a graph page by simply pressing that graph button. Once you've got that graph button up, you'll notice a command line appears up here that you can type your equation into. So I could type in, for example, 10 times x plus 30. If I press enter here, I can see the graph, but I can't see where it crosses the y-axis. To see that, I'd have to change my window settings. There's two ways you can do that. Probably the easiest way is I can just simply double click on that top value, and then I can change that to say 20. Not far enough, double click again, change it to 40, and now I can see where it crosses. I can also change the other ones by hitting tab twice. There's the tab button. So if I go tab, you'll notice that the cursor automatically goes over here to the next end point on the axis. Tab moves to the next one, tab moves to the last one. So I might change that to minus 3. Too far. The other way I can change it is I can go to Menu, Window Zoom, Window Settings, and this is the other way I can do it. Change that to minus 5. The X max, might change that to 5. When I'm ready, hit OK, and that has changed my window settings as well. If your label gets in the way, you can just click on it and drag it around. So that's all you need to know about changing your window setting so that you can get a good view of your graph.